Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter error code 0xc0000221, then watch this video for the fix. So the first thing to do is we need to run an SFC scan. We do that by looking for command prompt in the search bar, right clicking on it, run as administrator, yes, and we input the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW and press enter. Now wait for the scan to finish. Again open command prompt, right click administrator, then we'll enter the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r, press enter, and then press Y and enter and wait for the scan to run. Once it is done scanning and fixing these errors, then restart the computer. Now you should no longer face this error, but if you still do, then you need to do a disk cleanup, and we do that by looking for disk cleanup, clicking on OK, and we'll click clean up system files. OK, and this will clean up your system admin and cat root 2 folders. Right. Now once this is done, we will also run a memory diagnostic check. So we'll press the Windows and the R button simultaneously, and we will input this text MDSCHED and press enter. And we will click on restart now and check for problems. This will shut down the computer, run the memory diagnostic check, fix any errors, and then restart the computer. You should no longer see the error code again. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.